They're sick all the time. So what I do in order to try to help so I don't catch everything that walks through the door is I take a Nasacrom bottle, and then I take 3 milliliters of the Poneris, which has the iodine in it. I take the 3 milliliters, I add it to the Nasacrom. Shake that thing up there. And then I take this and put 2 sprays on each side, just like that, once a day. Add a good once a day vitamin for myself and a little extra vitamin C. Once a day I'll have my zinc, selenium, all my B vitamins. Has everything you need in it. And that's what I do to try to stay healthy during the winter.